Hey everybody, it is Saturday, February the 7th. Here we are, just going to do a quick little vlog here. We are getting ready to hit the road this upcoming week. Wednesday morning, heading down to Hamcation. Let's check out my prep. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. So we're getting ready to head down to Florida as part of the first stop on the second annual HamShackTV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Appreciate their support of the tour for the second year in a row. This year we've got 3 stops: Orlando, Hamcation, let's see here, Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio, Dayton, as most people call it, and then Huntsville down in August. They're in Huntsville, Alabama. So we're getting ready to get things fired up and get on the road. So I have opened up what you guys have called the dummy load. Shout out to Popup for that. Matter of fact, I made the promise and I have kept it. There's the sticker. It's still curing, but the sticker's on. There you go, the dummy load. The dummy load. This is not fully set up like it would be when I get to Florida, but it's open enough to where I can put some things inside of it. So let's take a look and see what all I've got going on. So I'm gonna set you guys up here on this whole table. I don't have power hooked up or anything in this thing. It's just solely for getting things packed up and ready to go. Here it is, Starlink. I'm gonna leave this in here because Starlink is a must for this trip. Let's take a look and see what else I've got going on in here. So we'll flip the camera around. So if you remember in the fall, I got a new hot water heater put in this thing, and right there it is. It's a Beaver, so an Amazon special. We're hoping for good things with it, but it's put in my camper. Of course, this is the maiden voyage for my camper. The furnace did not work, and I just did not see a point in replacing the furnace. The hot water heater cost enough, so I figured we'd just go without. Besides, most of the time when this thing's gonna be out, I'm not gonna need heat anyway. But what I will do is I will probably go to Walmart or something like that, pick up a small, very small space heater to use, just in case the nights are a little chilly down in Florida. But not expecting that. It's going to be nice and warm weather. Taking a look at everything else here so far. I'm just kind of sorting through my stuff, what all I want to take and what I don't want to take. There's some kitchen supplies right there. I got this at a White Elephant over Christmas. It's a tailgating table, and figured I'll take it along. I don't know if I'll use it or not, but it's got a little basket for different things. It's an insulated cooler. Put your Cokes and beers and whatever else in there. But when it's fully set up, this is kind of what you can expect. You got 4 cup holders in it. That little mesh up here at the top you can use for a chip bowl or something like that. And a little cooler down on the bottom. Don't know if we'll use this, but I figured, you know, when I got it at that White Elephant Christmas gathering, I figured, you know what, we'll take it to Florida and see what happens with it. Picnic table, of course, is still here stowed away. This little, and my gimbal reached its end point. Sorry about the flip there, guys. But in this container, I have a few things. Open that up. So I've got my extra 30 amp power cable for the camper, as well as a power strip and a little fan. Y'all saw the little fan when I took it to Huntsville. I've got a little HD antenna there to watch TV with. You know, one of the cool things about being in Florida this weekend is it's going to be the Daytona 500. So, and the Hamfest just happens to end at 1 o'clock on Sunday. So, once the Hamfest wraps up, I'll be coming back in my camper doing some editing and watching the Daytona 500. It's going to be a lot of fun. Here's a little step stool that my buddy Jason gave me. Just to kind of help get in and out of the camper there. And then this is your little camping stove. Don't know if I'll use that much, but it's there if I need it. King size bed on that side, and then a queen over here. Don't expect anybody to be staying with me. But this is a little mat you can roll out there on the ground, so you're not tracking in your grass and your mud and different things. Then you just got seating all around it on each side. Of course, I've got all that folded down. Again, I'm not setting this up as if I'm camping right now. This is really just to solely load stuff into it and get it ready for the big trip. Wednesday morning, 5 a.m. I'm setting sail, so to speak. So pretty excited about that. Other updates, just had another showing on our house, so I feel like we're getting closer and closer to finding a buyer for it. We still have our certain house in mind. We just cannot put an offer in on it until we have a contract on our current house. That's just the unfortunate thing that the buyers in that house, or the sellers in that house, are requiring. So we're racing. If you're looking to move to Maryville, Tennessee, folks, let me know down in the comments. Maybe we can make a deal. Who knows? Again, not setting it up for camping right now, just enough to load things in, but those canopies over there will raise all the way up. Of course, this has been stowed all winter long, so it's not the cleanest and stuff like that, but it'll be all right. Take you outside and take you on a quick walk around. So this is a 1998 Starcraft Constellation, and you got your bunks that fold out on the edges. And again, shout out to Julie Pota Power. Got it in there. It's right there ready to go for you. Tomorrow I'll be going to get the propane tanks topped off. Probably need to put the battery charger on it and get a good battery kicked on. And folks, this is where stuff piles up around my house over here, so don't mind the mess. But there's that new hot water heater that we put in. Back there's power and refrigeration, things like that. The left outlet here is your city water, and the right one is for tank water. This is my power port. I raise this up and open it up, and right there it is. There's my 30 amp power supply, or 30 amp cable. Let's close that down a little bit better. There we go. It's not the prettiest camper, guys. I will admit that. Definitely not the prettiest camper, but it's going to get the job done. You know, as the channel grows, I already have intentions on later eventually buying a bigger camper, a better camper, especially one that can be used by the whole family. Right now we're sitting as a family of 6, so it's quite a bit. And 2 of which are not quite walking fully yet, so we're probably not going to go camping as a family anytime soon, but maybe eventually I will upgrade the camper to something bigger and the family will be able to come along. So anyway, guys, can't thank you enough for all your support. Great time to become a channel member. I'll be releasing videos intermittently, well, every day during Hamcation and following Hamcation. And the great thing about becoming a channel member is you get early access to all the videos that I upload. Every video I upload will release to channel members first. Now there's a difference between a membership and a subscription. A channel member is a fee, $2.99 minimum a month. So all that comes to me. I appreciate your support for sure on Hamshack TV. If not, be a subscriber, that kind of thing. But again, as I publish videos, they will be released on a daily basis. But if you become a channel membership, you'll get them as soon as I upload them. So anyway, we're excited about that. Cannot wait to get to Orlando. Guys, here in Maryville, Tennessee, it's set, my watch says it's 38 degrees. It don't feel like it. Feels like closer to 45, maybe 50. But sunshine and palm trees are coming. I can't wait. I can't wait. Old man winter has kicked my tail this year. So I am ready to get down to Florida. Sunshine and palm trees. Hey, don't forget to check out Ham Radio Prep. If you're looking to get your ham radio license, Ham Radio Prep's the way to go. They're so confident they can help you get your technician, general, or extra class license, and that you'll pass on your first attempt. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details. That's hamradioprep.com. Coupon code HamShackTV. Get you 10% off. Also, World of Logging, folks, I'm telling you, now is the time to get in on World Radio League. World Radio League is a competitive logging software. It's so much fun. It adds a whole element of competition and fun to the amateur radio hobby. Go check out worldradioleague.com. And the great thing is you can get an account for free. There's no charge whatsoever to set up an account. However, there are some great premium features when you get into the paid tiers. It's pretty cheap. Go check them out, worldradioleague.com. And if you use coupon code HamShackTV, you get 10% off. They're already great prices. Folks, we'll see you in the next video. Don't know if we'll have another one from here, but we'll be videoing starting Wednesday on the trip down to Florida. And then Thursday night, Hamshack TV live from the campground there in Orlando, Florida. You'll see a lot of familiar faces. Can't wait. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. 7-3 AA4WX WSCB 693.